guys, my name is Chavi. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I don't really have a topic with me. I just came here to tell you guys how happy I am. Like literally, because this reel has crossed freaking 1 million views on Instagram, and I cannot digest this fact. Like literally, this is insane. This is so unbelievable for me right now. I cannot. So yeah, let me just tell you how this happened. Like literally, what did I do? So I remixed this reel with one of the fellow creators, wherein she showed this one shirt hack, how to style a shirt to make it a crop top, and it was so beautiful. I literally wanted to try this by myself, and so I just remixed it and posted the reel. Then it went well. So according to my follower count, I had like 1160 followers, and according to that, अगर मेरी reel 4000 तक भी पहुंच जाती है 2-3 घंटे के अंदर, that means that particular reel did well for me. Like literally, that is it that I expect right now. So that reel did work well, and it crossed like 4,000 5,000 views in 3 to 4 hours, and I was like very happy, and I was like done with it. Uske baad I had posted around 9 posts, and वो वैसी थी, and I didn't had any expectations because obviously Instagram does not work that way. YouTube में you do get views अपने पुराने videos पर, but Instagram पे ऐसे नहीं होता है. It just circulates only the new content. So yeah, that being said, I was just sitting one day, and then I noticed that this particular reel एक दिन में वो 5,000 से 10,000 पहुँच गई, and I was like, what? Why is this happening now? Because मैंने 9-10 पोस्ट कर चुके थे उसके बाद, बट आई डोंट नो हाउ, आई डोंट नो कैसे दिस जस्ट एक्सप्लोडेड. एंड या, दिस legit went from 10k to 50k in one day, then 50 to 100, and just went on and on. I was like, what the hell is happening? 300,000 views per it went, and I was like, fine, it will just stop here. इससे आगे क्या ही होएगा, इससे आगे नहीं बढ़ेगी. But then it did. एक हफ्ते में it, I guess in less than a week, it crossed freaking 1 million views. रात को I had an idea, obviously जब it crossed 950k views, obviously I knew that it will cross 1 million as well. I really wanted to vlog this whole experience, but I did not end up vlogging it. I don't know why. I felt so overwhelmed, and yeah, so yeah, it did hit 1 million views, and I'm so grateful. Right now it is at 1.4 million. It is just exploding, like seriously. So yeah, I really wanted to tell you guys this, and I really wanted to show you how happy I am, and also how grateful I am to build this community. And also I was stuck at 1,001 and 1,160 followers, and वो 70 तक पहुँचते थे, फिर वो वापस 60 तक आ जाते थे. So I was literally stuck here for more than 4 months, and I'm not even joking, I was legit stuck. But then this reel exploded, this happened, and now I have 4,000 now I have 1,400 something followers, and yeah, I'm so happy right now. So it did work for me. So iske baad what I realized was ki what my audience wants to see. Okay, so I have seen this in past too. Mere hacks wale videos do work well, not itna zyada, but they do work well if compared to other videos. So yeah, I guess you guys are very interested in hacks and fashion hacks, to be very particular. So I will try and deliver that as much as I can. So yeah, that being said, I wanted to tell you guys this news. So yeah, obviously ये 1 मिनट का वीडियो या 2 मिनट का वीडियो made no sense अगर मैं इसको ऐसे पोस्ट कर देती हूँ. So in this video I will tell you some things that I do to keep myself sane and productive in times like these. Now, number one thing is, please don't take this pressure of being productive all the time. Like I don't even know how much I've said this before, that surviving this pandemic is just enough. You don't have to take that pressure of being, you know, productive and all of that jazz. First lockdown mein there was this thing like everyone wanted to be very productive and they were just taking it as like a very good long holiday that everyone wanted. But for sure second lockdown aisa nahi hai, we are back to square one, but without those feelings. Like literally first lockdown mein everyone wanted to cook, make fashion content, be an artist, like pursue every freaking hobby that they had. But abhi ke liye it's just not happening, no one is feeling it, and we are all surviving. Like literally it's very hard to just get up and even do something that you like, you know, you get my point. So yeah, please don't take that pressure, be yourself, be just survive. Like literally I don't have anything else to say on that. But having said that, I will tell you guys some things that do help me, and I'm not saying ki I do all of these things every freaking day and I'm always happy. No, there are so many days when I'm just depressed, like literally depressed, and I don't do anything. So yeah, there are those days, and just understand that it's okay, and just be there, hang in there, everything is going to be fine. So yeah, I will tell you some things that I do. Number one is get dressed up and shoot. Now I know you will be like, this is your work, so what are you telling me to do? Get dressed up and do my work? No, I'm telling you to literally just get dressed up and shoot something. I'm not asking you to post it on social media or on YouTube. Obviously, that's not everyone's cup of coffee. That's not everyone's cup of tea. But what I'm saying is just get up and get dressed up. जब आप तैयार होते हो ना, जब आप अच्छा outfit पहनते हो, you put on some makeup, you do feel really good. Like at least I do. So I think you can just try it, and please let me know if this helps you. Number two, as cliche as it may sound, listen to good music. And like listen to those trendy music that go viral on TikTok na, wo wale bhi, but and also wo classic 90s 80s and 2000s wala music, that is insane, that gives you so much peace, and I cannot stress on this enough. And yeah, watch good old classic movies. And I will tell you this one thing that happened with me. Now this one day I was so depressed, and I'm not even exaggerating, I was just in bed all day and I was not feeling it. Like, and मैंने 2 हफ्ते का तब तक ब्रेक ले चुका था. I did not film anything, I did not do anything, so I was just laying. And then my cousin sister just sent me this one post of Vivha wali movie. Now I don't know if you guys know, Vivha is a movie, Rajshri Productions, and it is so beautiful. Like it's one of my favorite movies. I can watch it over and over and over again. So she sent me this one post uske ek song ki, and I felt so freaking good. Like पूरे दिन में वो 12 बजे के आसपास I felt so good. I was like, fine, let me just watch this movie, I guess I'll feel nice. So I did end up watching it, and it made me very happy. Like I'm not exaggerating, and I'm not, you know, just saying things aisi hawa mein. They do make you feel really nice because they do separate you from the real life, no? So, and the real situations. So yeah, you can try that out. I know most of you must be doing that already, but that does help me, and I want you to also try it out if you haven't already. Now I'm not saying कि मैं कुछ तुमको ऐसे बहुत ही hidden चीज़ें बता रही हूँ जो you don't already know. I am repeating stuff, and I'm just telling you things that help me and that might help you as well. So number 3 has to be declutter. Now declutter makes me so happy. It's so relaxing. I guess it's the solution for every freaking thing. Like if you're sad, if you're anxious, just don't do anything. Declutter your stuff. Declutter your makeup, your wardrobe, your shoes, like your shoe wardrobe. Wash your shoes, and also maybe your art station or your workstation. So declutter, get rid of things that you don't really use. So decluttering is like a therapy, and it does help you a lot. And you know, it feels really nice when you walk into a room and that's all set up, and which is, you know, decluttered, and it's all good, smelling good. So yeah, you can try that as well. Number 4, as cliche as it may sound, do what you love. So I guess you can try painting your heart out or playing games, play whatever type of games, board games or video games, like do whatever you want. At this point, it's just very important to make yourself happy and to indulge yourself in something so that you are, away from all of that negativity that is going around you. So yeah, that's that. Now I'm not asking you to do things that are monetized, you get my point. So यहाँ पे we are not focusing towards the monetization of that particular activity. What I'm saying is just do whatever you love, and yeah, just leave everything aside. Dance, sing, cook, paint, do whatever makes you happy at that particular point. Number 5, and the most important thing I would say, is to just sit back, relax and introspect. See what's going on, understand yourself and understand what you like, what you dislike, your toxic traits, and if some toxic people you have in your life, if you want to cut them off to get that peaceful life for yourself. Now, and also please understand and realize that it's okay to not be okay. It's okay to cry, we all do that, and there's nothing new to that, and it does help to cry your heart out. So yeah, that's fine as well. Like I told you abhi pehle hi ki I took a 2-week break. Like literally जो मेरी मॉम के साथ अभी मास्टर शेफ चैलेंज है, उससे पहले की जो भी वीडियोस यू सी, दोज वर ऑल प्री शॉट. और वो टाइम में I did not shoot anything. Like 2 हफ्ता I did not shoot anything because I wasn't feeling it. One, I was breaking out. Like I was breaking out like crazy. And number 2, I was just not feeling it. So I did not do it. I did not force myself to do something, So जिस दिन I shot that MasterChef challenge वाला video, उससे एक दिन पहले I was just lying. I did not had any motivation, as I told you guys. I was just scrolling Insta and I don't know how I got so motivated. I was like, I need to slap on some makeup onto my face and shoot something tomorrow, because 2 हफ्ते से मैंने कुछ भी shoot नहीं करा था. I did not put any makeup, no nothing, like was just lying around ऐसे ही. So then I was like, I need to slap on some makeup on this face and wear some good outfit and shoot anything for that matter. So yeah, I did end up doing it and I felt really nice. Then uske baad se I am shooting regularly. So that being said, what my point is, please don't force yourself to do things. Take a break. That break is very important, I would say. So what my point is कि you don't have to do something or indulge into something to make you feel motivated, जिससे आप productive हो सको. जैसे कि I am saying ना कि मैं ऐसी लेटी हुई थी, मेरे अंदर कैसे भी motivation आ गई. So it came out of nowhere. I wasn't doing anything to find that motivation. No. So I wasn't putting pressure onto myself. So what I'm saying is कि just sit back, relax. Maybe that motivation will just come out of nowhere and you will end up doing things. And yeah, that is it for today's TED Talk. And I really wanted to include something valuable in this video because I wanted to tell you this 1 million wala thing because it made me so happy. So yeah, and I wanted to include something valuable so that आप बस मेरी खुशी का चीज़ देख के ऐसे चले ना जाओ कि क्या अपना अपना बता रही है. So yeah, that being said, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. You know the drill. And I will meet you really soon. Until then, goodbye.